In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily export your passwords from one Gmail email or Google Workspace email to another Gmail email or a Google Workspace email. So let's get into it. On your computer or laptop, you're going to want to go on your Google Chrome. On Google Chrome, on the top right-hand side, you're going to see a picture of yourself, your business logo, just that icon right here on the top right-hand side. Next, you're going to want to click on that icon, and then you're going to see a key icon. You want to click on that, and it will take you to your passwords. Once you're under Google Password Manager, on the left-hand side, you're going to see Passwords, Checkup, and then Settings. Click on Settings. Underneath Settings, you're going to see Export Passwords. Click on Download File, and personally, when I clicked on this, notification pops up. Now, this tells me to enter in my password. Now, this isn't the password to my Gmail or Google Workspace email. This is the password to access my computer. So if you own a Mac like myself and you see something pop up like this is the password to get into your laptop. Now you're going to want to save this file into a place that you can remember. You don't want to download it and say, where did I put it? So for me, I put this into my downloads file so that I can easily find it when it comes time for me to import it to my other email account. Now on Google Chrome, I'm going to go underneath my other email. Now, if you only have one email linked to your Google Chrome and you don't have the other one on there, you can easily add one by clicking on the icon like we did before in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down and you're going to see the Add button. Click on that Add button and then you're going to enter in your email and your password to add another tab to your Google Chrome. Now, once you have that other tab on your Google Chrome, you're going to click on that drop down and then click on the other account that you would like to transfer your password to. Now, just like we did before, we're clicking on the user icon on the top right-hand corner. We're looking at the drop-down. We're going to click on that password button, go down to Settings, and then underneath Settings, you're going to see Import Passwords. Next, you're going to want to click on Select File, and then once you click on Select File, you're going to find that file that we saved in the beginning of the video. Click on that file and bam, your passwords are being transferred. Thank you guys for watching this video. And wait, before you go, please leave me a residue of your energy by liking this video, subscribing, and commenting if this video has helped you. This helps my channel grow, so I really appreciate that if you can take some time to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.